Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial you will learn how to unban someone from your Discord server. Now previously unbanning someone was a bit trickier, but Discord has made it easier to unban someone from your Discord server, and now you can actually do it using your Discord account. Like Discord has implemented that feature themselves instead of having to do it using a bot or something. Previously, you would have to use Dino or something else like Me6 to unban someone or even ban someone, but now you don't have to do that. But we will show you both of these methods, like how to use using a bot and how to do it from Discord itself. So let's just first ban a account. For me, I'll just ban this bot I created once. I'll just ban it and then I'll just unban it, and as you can see it's already banned. So now the way you unban it is by heading over to this drop down and then clicking on server settings. Once you click on server settings and scroll down a little bit, you'll see bans tab. Just click on it and you'll see the number of people that have been banned from your server. So for me it's just one, because I just this is just my test server, so I'll just click on it and then revoke ban. If you click on that, it's just gonna unban that user. Once you unban it, you are going to see that there is nothing over here. Sometimes you may need to refresh it. If you're using browser like me, you just probably need to refresh it, or if you're using the clients, you may or may not need to close this and then visit over here once again to check if it actually unbanned or not. But yeah, it should automatically do it, and this is exactly how you do it using your Discord server, or Discord actually. Now let's use another bot to actually ban something. So at first I'll just ban this Carl bot using my Dino. So I'll write a slash and then type ban. I'll select this, select Carl bot, and then hit enter. Okay, so for me it actually says that this is a mod and slash admin. Just have to click on this administrator to turn it off and then save settings. Once you do that, so before you actually try to ban another bot or something, if you're testing it out, you just have to make sure that the role of the bot you're using is higher than the other ones. So I'll have to set it as Dino is higher than Carlbot, and once I do that, then you can actually use it. As you can see that I failed 2 times, but yeah, it's nothing. But yeah, I'll do it once again. I'll select Carlbot using the slash ban command, and then I'll just hit enter. Once you do that, as you can see, it's banned, but now you're gonna actually want to unban it, right? So the way you do that is by once again hitting slash right unban. Once you click on unban, you will have to actually select their user ID to unban. So for me, I actually need to select their I need to select Carlbot's user ID. So as you may have understood that selecting or trying to find the user ID of the user that you want to unban is actually quite a hard task. So the way you can actually unban the user once again, even if you use a bot to ban it, is by heading over to this drop down and clicking on server settings, and then scrolling down and going over to this bans tab, and then clicking on the user or the person you have banned. So just click on it and then click on revoke ban. Once you do that, it should unban that user as well. And this is actually how you can unban users. I basically showed you 2 methods. As you can see that, as I told you before, that using a bot is actually a bit harder now. You have to select their user ID and everything. So I think you should actually stick to using Discord's main feature that they have added, letting you to ban or unban users. So that's actually the better way, I would say. Anyways, I hope that you guys like this tutorial. Comment down below if you want anything specific so that we can make it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.